Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this move down right here that we're currently in is still very likely a pullback to this last wave up because of my higher time frame analysis. I still think we're in a wave C of wave B all the way up to the weekly time frame. So if that's true, that means that this move down should potentially end up making a higher low, which we did make a higher low at the 78%. If this right here really is the end of a pullback, which it could be because we do have a break up at a Fibonacci retracement level, then this should now be making higher highs, higher lows. Now, I do see the possibility that this turns into more of a 1, 2, 3 pattern and then goes up like that. So definitely be aware of that because the market does like to make three-way pullbacks in a corrective move. But I personally am still looking for longs, and if I did already go long on this breaker structure, I would have my stop loss below the low anyways. So that way, if it went down and we tested the 78% and went up again, I definitely wouldn't be stopped out of a good trade. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a break. So that means this is either an A, B, C, and then it's going to turn back down and do this and then that, or it's a 1, 2, 3, and it's just going to maintain impulsive movements to the upside. So I personally am looking for longs. I personally am not trying to go short at all unless we get a break to the downside on the full hour, which we definitely don't have yet. So even if it does go down again, like I said, I would probably put my stop loss below the 100%. So that way, if it does go down again, I would be safe and I wouldn't get stopped out of a good trade. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.